a time like this would surely come my way, when in disbelief I'd watch my whole life change. I thought I'd have the words to tell you how I feel, but the only